Hello guys! Welcome to Rocky's TV! Ito mga guys, merong event ngayon ang Barda. Ito yung event ng McDo in celebrating the launch of my McDonald's Rewards today. So, ayun, nakikita nyo rito ang Barda ngayon. Medyo hindi na ganon ka-sweet, hindi na ganon ka-clingy si Barbie. Siyempre sa mga nangyari nung mga nakaraang linggo, siyempre sobra yung pambabash. Hindi na sila ganon ka-sweet. Kung mapapansin nyo, i-compare natin dun sa close-up event nila nung last May, di ba? Sobrang sweet, sobrang clingy ni Barbie doon. Lagi silang naka-holding hands doon ni David, na inassume natin na talagang may something na yung dalawa. Pero hindi naman yun yung importante. Ang importante, okay sila. Diba? As Barda pa din, napapakilig pa rin naman tayo. Nandun pa rin yung chemistry. Although, yun nga, hinahanap natin yung dating sweetness nilang dalawa. So, dahil siguro din si David kasi, diba, meron siyang gagawing teleserye with Jillian. And si Barbie, lalabas na yung movie nila ni Jameson sa Netflix. Siguro din sa dami ng mga nangyayari, diba? Nung nangyari kay Barbie, nung lumabas yung holding hands nila ni Jameson, sobrang nabash si Barbie. So, ngayon naman, yung kay David, yung pagpunta ng Siargao ni David. Pero sana, diba, magkaroon pa rin sila, magkatrabaho pa rin sila, magkaroon pa rin silang movie o kaya teleserye na magkasama.
Let's sit. Ayan, chikahan muna tayo.
Ay, ang sarap. Nakaupo pa lang.
Yes, I love it. So, lahat ng Barda fans, palaingan mo!
Nagmukbang ako sa pusa. Pamakturuan din siya.
Grabe, ano? Diba? Tutugunan kung meron na ako. Pero kumusta naman kayo guys? Thank you so much for joining us. Kamusta kayo?
Honestly, ngayon na lang yata ako ulit nakabalik dito sa Glorieta.
Ay, welcome.
Oo, pero childhood ko doon, hindi ako tumatambay pag nag-BBTR ako sa commercial dati. Hindi ako nag-aabang ng terminal ng bus. Kaya medyo core memory ng Glorieta. Tapos palagi kami kumakain dun sa McDo. Diba?
Oo. Very iconic ating McDo dito.
Yes! Oo!
Hindi na siya gumalaw. It's always been there. Very iconic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which one is iconic?
The McDonald's here. It's been there ever since we're very young. So, same spot pa rin. Core memory talaga. But how about you, David? How's life? How's everything? Kamusta ka naman?
I'm really good. I'm so happy to be back here in Manila. I just came from a vacation. Thank you. So now I'm back to work. I'm happy to be here. Of course with Barbie and with McDonald's. And yun din, Glorieta. I think it's been a while since I last came here. Alala ko, kasama ko yung lola ko before. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami, kumakain. So yun, and then I'm also happy to see the fans. Hello.
Ano ba? May point kayo dyan, guys. May point yan. And I love it, no? Kasama kayo yung comeback sa Glorieta.
Oh, yes.
A long
Over the
time.
McDonald's.
Yes.
Full circle, no?
Very full circle for the My McDonald's Rewards launch. And we're so happy nandito kayo because this is such a big moment. And I'm sure, pati kayo, alam niyo naman yung importance ng loyalty. And of course, you know, having this kind of celebration for McDonald's. So, we want to know, of course, for you, what was it like working with McDonald's and being able to work with such an iconic brand like McDonald's?
Well, yes, I have to agree with you. It is indeed a very iconic brand. So honestly, nung first shoot namin for McDonald's, aminin ko na-intimidate ako kasi hindi ko alam how they would be with us, how they would treat us, ganyan. Kasi nga, McDonald's sila eh. So parang sabi ko, shucks, kailangan, I really have to bring my A-game talaga kasi they entrusted us with a brand, ganyan-ganyan. Sobrang cool nilang lahat! Tapos parang tuwang-tuwa kami ng team namin, parang, sige, kasi sa literal na McDonald's talaga kami nag-shoot, so parang, sige, just order everything, it's on the house. Wait, guys! Childhood dream come true ko yun! Order everything! Join the McDonald's games! Tapos parang naalala ko pa nung time na yun kasi medyo I wasn't really feeling well, so parang, ang comfort food ko talaga, naalala mo, diba, yung caramel sundae tsaka large fries. kaya favorite combination ko talaga palagi. Yun. So, grabe, sobrang cool nila ka-work. Sobrang babait. Madali silang kausap. Kumbaga parang madali nilang nakumuha yung gusto nila in terms of the shots, yung mga ganyan. So, ang bilis. Ang bilis lang namin nag-shoot doon.
So, very specific yung combo mo, no? Caramel Sundae with rice. Anybody here, Caramel Sundae din? Fan nila? Fan?
Oh, see?
Oh, dami. Really nice. Specific eh, no? How about you, David? How was your whole experience working with McDonald's?
Well, I must agree na iconic naman talaga yung McDonald's. So, I'm really grateful to be part of this, along with Barbie. But syempre, may naalala lang ako.
Ay, may memories!
Yeah, may naalala lang ako. But syempre, fries.
Fries talaga.
Fries talaga. Kasi now kasi, every time na we are working, laging may french fries. Diba?
Oo, totoo yan. Mahilig ka ba talaga sa french fries na baklo?
Yeah, with ice cream.
Ay, so same kayo.
Same na kami.
Oo, chemistry. Parang ko yan.
Sa akin doon, nakitigip siya kasi parang first time yata yung combination ng sweet and salty.
Ah.
Kasi siya naman mas ma-chicken siya sa McDo.
Chicken nuggets talaga.
Ayan.
Yung like go-to, no? Kaya yung sweet din yung ano.
Yes.
Ay, gusto natin yung
Dessert,
sweet.
ano muna, kain muna ng dessert.
Tama. Well balanced, right? But if you had to describe McDonald's in one word, what word would that be?
Honestly, rewarding.
Ay, tama. May point yan.
Talaga. And just recently, I wrapped up my shoot for my latest film. Yun talaga agad yung naisip ko right after. Sabi ko, Daddy, try to tayo ng McDo, order ako ng ano, or yung matcha McFlurry, tsaka large shake fries, barbecue. Parang sarap.
Specific talaga, no?
Oo, pinost niya ako sa IG story ko. Like, it's a wrap. Yun na. Nireward ko talaga yung sarili ko kasi ang sarap eh. Tsaka yung accessibility niya, yung availability niya kasi, ang galing. So, yun talaga isa sa mga perks ng McDonald's.
Tama. Especially if you have the McDonald's app. Yun talaga.
No, yun nga yung maganda doon kasi with the McDonald's app, unlike kapag kunyari may food delivery app ka, di ba? You don't get to redeem or parang get your points. So pag exclusive talaga sa McDonald's app, makukuha mo lahat yun. With the same services, tapos alam mo ba quality kasi syempre McDonald's mag-deliver.
Yes. Oh, diba? Yung ganyan talaga sa Barbie, no? Hey, but how about you, David? What word would you use to describe McDonald's?
Comfort and love. Diba? Kasi love ko to, lalo na pag kasama siya.
Ay, sino siya?
Ano daw?
Lalo ko kasama sino? Ay,
Siya.
May siya.
sino siya?
Siya ka na.
Ay, oo. Tama yan. O, diba? May point pa lang, guys. Makakain natin to. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. May point yan. Tama. So, feeling ko, I feel like a lot of us have very fond memories with McDonald's, especially nung bata tayo, ever since we were children, throughout our childhood. So, kayo po, may mga childhood memories pa kayo with McDonald's?
Ako, naalala ko dati, yung mga mayayaman kong kaklase ng elementary ako.